Hey, it's Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts, and today I'm going to teach you how to crochet the block and offset shell stitch, which is such a beautiful stitch that creates a little bit of lace, but a little bit of a different look than a typical shell stitch. So once you learned how to crochet this stitch that I'm teaching you today, you'll be able to crochet a bookmark just like this, or a headband with an elastic. So think of like a spa headband, or just, a headband to style up your outfit like this, or a gorgeous cowl just like this. All three of these patterns are part of the Advent Calendar Mystery Crochet Along, which includes 8 giveaways, 8 stitches, and 8 free-to-view patterns. But you don't know which of the patterns I'm going to be publishing for free. For each stitch, there are 3 patterns available. That means technically we have 24 patterns, not just 8. But all 24 patterns are going to be available in the ebook, the last minute gift idea ebook. That includes all 8 stitches and all 24 patterns. If you want to get the ebook, there is a special deal down below. The information is written in the description. That way you can grab it for a special deal until December 24th, 2025. The giveaways that are happening every 3rd day, so day 1, 4, 7, etc., is going to feature a different brand each time. You have 3 days to enter each giveaway, and on the following day when the next giveaway is announced, that is also when we're going to announce the winners. You don't know which brand is going to be part of the giveaway, so each time there's a giveaway, you better open up that little door on the Advent Calendar Mystery Crochet Along to figure out the brand and then enter the giveaway. The following day, aka day 2 or day 5, etc., is going to be a stitch tutorial just like this. And then on the following day, you're going to be able to apply the stitch that you learned the previous day, which means day 3 is going to be a free to view pattern. That free to view pattern is going to be a mystery. It's going to be one of 3 that I'm showing you in the stitch tutorial, but you don't know which one. Again, if you want to have all of them, meaning all 24 patterns in this collection, then the ebook will be for you. Whenever I'm publishing a free to view pattern, that pattern will also be available on Ravelry, Etsy, and the Crochet Club ad-free and printer friendly. However, in the Crochet Club, you're not just getting this pattern, you're getting more than 600 ad-free printer-friendly crochet patterns. All 8 of these patterns that you're going to be seeing in the Advent Calendar Mystery Crochet Along will also be available in the Crochet Club. The Crochet Club also features extra perks such as 6 to 7 virtual meetups every single month, and of course a very positive and supportive community, and much, much more. This is just a fraction of the things you get available in the Crochet Club. So that's maybe something you want to think about if you are getting the ebook, or if you simply want to get more community and more ad-free content. All right, now that you know about the 4th annual Advent Calendar Mystery Crochet Along, it is now time to actually learn the stitch so that you're going to be ready for the pattern that's going to be revealed tomorrow. Are you ready? Let's go! In order to crochet the block and offset shell stitch, you're going to crochet a multiple of 11 plus 6 in order to crochet it with the alternative turning chain. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. The alternative turning chain replaces the chain of 3 in this case and counts as a double crochet stitch. If you've never done this before, it is also known as the stacked single crochet stitch. So we're going to start from the 2nd chain from the hook, and we're going to crochet a single crochet, and then you are going to insert our hook into the loop that's closest to our yarn finger, pull up another loop, 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, and pull through. Now you're going to crochet 4 more double crochet stitches, but it is 1 per stitch. So you're going to have 5 in a row. Now that number may be different for each individual pattern, so be aware of that. This is just the way it's typically done, but I have adjusted this stitch for some of the patterns to make it look prettier, so it may have less double crochet stitches between the shell stitches. Okay, now once you have your 5 double crochet stitches for this specific swatch done, you're going to crochet a shell stitch. You're going to skip 2 stitches, and then you're going to crochet 5 double crochet stitches in the same stitch, creating the shell stitch. And it's going to look like this. Now you're going to chain 2, and you're going to skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to continue on with this pattern just like before. That means 5 double crochet stitches, just that the first one over here was an alternative turning chain, but yeah, it's 5 double crochet stitches in a row over here, and then again a shell stitch, just like we just did. So here are the 5 double crochet stitches. Now you're going to skip 2 stitches, and then you're going to crochet a 5 double crochet shell stitch in the following stitch. Then chain 2, skip 3 stitches, and then finish up the row with 5 double crochet stitches, or you continue this on as many times as it says in the pattern. And it's going to look like this for the very first row. Now you're going to turn, and we're going to start again with an alternative turning chain. So whenever you have these amount of double crochet stitches right here, we're just going to place them on top. Okay, so the only thing that changes a little bit is the shell stitch part of it. So for the 5 double crochet stitches, we're always just going to have 5 double crochet stitches. Just the very first stitch is always going to be the alternative turning chain or stacked single crochet stitch in the height of a double crochet stitch. Then again, you have 4 additional double crochet stitches after that, making it 5 double crochet stitches in a row. Now you're going to skip the 2 chains made as well as the first double crochet stitch of that shell stitch that you see right here. You're going to place in the following stitch, which means you're skipping 3 stitches technically, right? 2 chains, 1 double. In the next one, you're going to crochet the 5 double crochet shell stitch. So in that second double crochet stitch right there. Now you're going to chain 2, and you're going to skip 3 stitches, which is the leftover part of that shell stitch from the previous row. Now you're going to crochet the double crochet stitches again. So it'll be 5 double crochet stitches, 1 per stitch. Then you're going to repeat this pattern just like we just did until the end. So that means we're going to do this here one more time together. You're going to skip the 2 chains as well as the first double crochet stitch, and then in the following one you're going to crochet the 5 double crochet shell stitch like so, and then chain 2 and skip 3 stitches and continues on then until the end when you have 5 double crochet stitches left to finish up this row. And then it's going to look like this. So you're now going to repeat row 2 over and over and over again until you are done with your project. And then you can crochet a bookmark just like this, or a gorgeous headband just like this that has an elastic on it too, making it super easy to use, or a gorgeous cowl just like this. All of these 3 patterns use the block and offset shell stitch the way you just learned it. There may be a few adjustments in terms of the double crochet stitches, but otherwise it is pretty much the same pattern. But the question is, which of the 3 will I be publishing for free to view tomorrow, and also make it available ad-free on Ravelry, Etsy, as well as the Crochet Club? You don't know. You're going to have to open the door on the Advent Calendar Mystery Crochet Along tomorrow to figure that out. But if you are not wanting to wait for this pattern, or better, if you want all 24 patterns, then be sure to grab this ebook. It is on sale until December 24th, 2025. So check it out. That way you get all 24 patterns with all 8 stitch tutorials ad-free and printer-friendly, with large font, clickable buttons, clickable video links, having everything at the tip of your finger ready to go, and you won't have to worry about it. The only thing you still do have to do on my website, if you're interested, would be the giveaways on every 3rd day starting day 1. So day 1, day 4, day 7, etc. So if you want to be part of that giveaway, that is not included in the ebook, but it is included on the Advent Calendar Mystery Crochet Along. You just have to check those out each individual time, and I highly recommend you join us for the live tutorials that are happening on those days as well. If you sign up for my newsletter, or better for this event, then I will tell you where to go in order to be part of the live tutorial, so you can see exactly what the brands are giving away, because some of these giveaway prizes are huge. They're really, really amazing, and multiple times we even have multiple winners that have a chance to win some of these amazing, incredible prizes. So be sure to check that out. And of course, we have this hashtag right here, which I will love for you to use whenever you are sharing anything about the Advent Calendar Mystery Crochet Along in our group, Crocheting with Nikki on Facebook, so that way we can find you and celebrate you. I would love for you to work on the stitch and show us off your swatch, so that way we can see it. And if you need any help whatsoever, that is also the group where you want to ask some questions. And of course, once you crochet any of the patterns, please show them off as well using that hashtag, so we can find you and celebrate you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a video or go live. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.